In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually use Notion for school. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you stay organized, keep track of assignments, manage your schedule, and so much more. Whether you're a high school student or navigating the complexities of college life, Notion can streamline your study habits and boost your productivity. Let's walk through how to set it all up. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're on the main page, you'll see numerous options to explore. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll direct our attention to the Marketplace, which you can find at the top of the screen. Click on it. The Marketplace is where you'll discover a treasure trove of templates, each designed to cater to different needs and preferences. Next, locate the search bar, prominently placed, and type in Student Dashboard. This is where you'll find templates specifically tailored to manage school life effectively. These dashboards integrate various aspects of student life, such as tracking your assignments, planning your schedule, and organizing your notes. It's an all-in-one platform that keeps everything you need in one place. Once you've entered Student Dashboard into the search bar, you'll be presented with several template options. Take your time to scroll through and select the template that best fits your personal style and requirements. Each template comes with its unique layout and features, so you can choose one that resonates with how you like to work. Once you've identified the perfect template, go ahead and add it to your workspace. Now that you've integrated a student dashboard into your Notion, the real fun begins. Feel free to personalize it and make it your own. Customization is key here. Tailor the template to suit your specific needs. Perhaps you want to change the color scheme to match your aesthetic or rearrange sections to prioritize your most important tasks. Start by adding your assignments. Create a section or a page dedicated to your coursework where you can list each assignment along with due dates and any relevant details. This helps ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Next, integrate your schedule. Whether you have classes, meetings, or study sessions, plot these out in a calendar view to visualize your week ahead. You can easily adjust and update these as needed, a true lifesaver during busy exam periods. Finally, don't hesitate to add other elements you may need: project trackers, shared group workspaces, or even a section for lecture notes. The goal is to make Notion a comprehensive hub for all your academic endeavors, and there you have it, a personalized Notion setup that will keep you organized and on top of your studies. Remember, the more effort you put into customizing it, the more you'll get out of it. Happy organizing!